In this video, I'm going to answer a question I got from Buckboy about Toast 20 and DVD video discs. Is there a way to adjust the font, size, color, etc. when you're creating and editing your DVD menu? And the answer is yes, you can. If you haven't watched that other video, I'll link it in the description so you can check it out. So we're going to go to the Mac, we're going to open Toast, and then we'll click Burn DVD. Once we do, that takes us to the Toast interface. Like I mentioned, I talk about that more in the other video, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time in this one. So I'm just going to drop a video in there to show you that's kind of how you build out the menu. Now, if you're using one of these built-in templates or themes, you can't customize anything on them. They're already pre-built. So your only option, if you'd like to adjust the text, the color, the font size, etc., is to design a new template. So we're going to click Design a New Template, and we land on the default template, which is blank, and that's the one that I used in that other video. But if you'd like to base your template off of another one, you can. So we'll click this first little button with the pencil. We can pick another template if we like, and then when that template loads, it may play any music that's related to the template, and then you'll inherit that look and feel. And then from here, you can customize that to be something different. But in this case, I'm going to go back to the default style just to show you, without any kind of distractions, what you need to do. So to answer Buckboy's question, select the element that you'd like to edit, and over on the right-hand side, you get a panel that lets you pick the font size, the color, etc. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go here. I'm going to choose Montserrat, which is a font I like, and you'll notice that all of the labels have changed together. The next thing I'm going to do is change the font size. I'll make them 72. Notice they all changed. And then I'll pick a color. Let's click this thing here. I'll choose to select one of these color chips. Let's go with purple. Actually, that's kind of hard to see. Let's go brown. Let's go blue. Blue's good. So you see that we're able to change all of the text size and the text color for all of these things all at once just by changing. So the key here is select the element you want to adjust. You get the panel on the right and you can make the changes. Now, what about moving it? If I just drag this first one, you'll notice it moves on its own and leaves the other ones behind. So I'm going to press Command Z to undo, and I'm going to hold the Shift key on my keyboard and click on each of these items so that I can affect them all at the same time. So now I'm going to just click and drag. I released the Command key. I'm just clicking and dragging, positioning the text exactly where I want it to be. That looks good. So I'm happy with that position. And if I wanted to affect another element like root menu here, similarly, I just click on it, and now I can change the font size, the font, etc. So let's pick a different one here, and then I can change a color. Let's make that cyan. Ooh, that clashes. Let's go red. Right? Why not? So that answers the question for how do you adjust the font size, color in a DVD menu. But before I let you go, I definitely want to point you in the direction of this other video here that talks about some Toast Titanium disk menu bugs that you might encounter. And of course, if you recently purchased Toast Titanium and you're within the first 30 days of owning it, they do have a 30-day return policy where you can get your money back without any problems at all. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.